Let's do a fraction divided by a whole using measurement division. In this case, I'm choosing to use a benchmark fraction of 1/2, and I'm going to divide it by a whole number. So you can see I've done a fraction less than 1, and I've done a whole number that's larger than 1. I'll invite you to experiment with some pictures yourself so you can get an idea of what it would look like if you chose a fraction larger than 1, for example. And maybe you could do a fraction larger than 2 even and divide by 1 or something, or just get the idea. Now, first thing I want to do is I want to divide or define my 1/2. So here's 1/2. According to my picture, that would be the bottom part. Now the measurement says I'm going to make this into a group of size 2. And how many groups do I have? Well, that vocabulary doesn't exactly fit well with what we're doing, because we're not going to make a whole group of size 2, but we can say how much of that group of size 2 do we have. So let's draw this out. Change that picture a little bit. Make sure I have the same dimensions. So that's 1. Now this would be a group of size 2. And I'm going to take that 1/2. I want to see how many of those groups of size 2 I can make. And what you can see is I can actually make 1/4 of a group of size 2. And that's an example of a 1/2 divided by a whole using a measurement form of division.